One of the best parts about running a creative fundraising project at your school is the opportunity for your pupils to express their creativity and artistic talents. At my art project, we want to make sure your pupils' amazing artwork looks its best on every single product their families buy. To help ensure your pupils' artwork looks just as fantastic printed as it does on paper, there are a few easy tips that you can follow. In this video, we will walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to be edge-aware, so your pupils' artwork is perfect for printing. Firstly, let's establish what edge-aware actually means. Being edge-aware means following a few simple steps to ensure that all of your pupils' amazing artwork makes it onto the final printed product. Number 1. Fill the background. If your pupils are planning to have a background colour, having a plain background or leaving the background blank is absolutely fine as well. But if your pupils are planning to have a background colour, it is important to make sure the background is filled all the way to the very edge of the template. This stops any plain, uncoloured borders from appearing around your pupils' artwork, which makes a big difference when it's printed. Number 2. Stay inside the safe zone. While the background should be filled to the edge, it's vital to ensure that all of the important parts of your pupils' artwork, think hats, feet, noses, antlers, or any writing, are inside of the safe zone. The safe zone is everything inside of a 5mm border from the very edge of the artwork template. It is really important that all of the main parts of the design stay within the safe zone of the template to avoid being cut off when printed onto the final products. Number 3. Don't draw the border onto the artwork. To ensure the main parts of your pupils' artwork are inside of the safe zone, you might think it's a good idea to draw the 5mm border onto the artwork for your pupils to work within. But please don't. These lines will show up on the final printed product, and we want the focus to be entirely on their wonderful artwork, not a guiding border. And that's it. But just in case you missed anything, here is a quick recap of how to make sure your pupils' artwork is edge-aware. Number 1. Fill the entire background. Number 2. Keep all key aspects of the design in the safe zone. And number 3. Don't draw the 5mm border onto the artwork. We hope you have found this video useful, and we look forward to working on a fundraising project with you soon.